what's up? Okay, today we are going to be making an underwater volcano. Okay, so we already did the first 2 steps. We added some food coloring and we also added some oil, cooking oil. Okay, now what do? We place the effervescent tablet in the bottle and watch the eruption. Okay, so where's the effervescent? Okay, get ready. Okay, hang on a second. How do you? Wait, now how do you like?
Break it?
Oh, break it? Oh my, it's unbreakable. Ow, you're pretending to break it. Oh, you broke it. Let's watch the eruption. Whoa! That is so cool. Yo. Whoa. Wait, it's not stopping.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you, bye.